Lord my God, I come before you with a heavy heart today. Your word says in Psalm 34:18, "The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit." Father, I feel broken inside. There are moments I cannot even explain my pain to anyone. I smile outside, but inside I'm struggling. I feel alone, forgotten, and tired of carrying everything by myself. But Lord, I hold on to your promise today. You said you are close to the brokenhearted. So even in this silence, I believe you are here with me right now. Heal every wound in my heart that no one can see. Touch the areas where words cannot reach. Where I feel weak, become my strength. Where I feel empty, fill me with your peace. Lord, just like you were with David in his darkest caves, be with me in my hidden struggles too. When I feel like I am falling apart, hold me together. When I cannot stand, carry me in your mercy. Remind me that I'm not abandoned. Remind me that my tears are not wasted. Every tear I cry, you see it. Every pain I feel, you understand it. Father, replace my sadness with your peace. Replace my fear with your presence. Replace my loneliness with your love. I surrender everything into your hands today. My pain, my thoughts, my worries, my life. Stay close to me, Lord, and never let me walk alone. In Jesus' mighty name, I pray. Amen.